remind you of who from Family Ties? I never watched Family Ties.
Really?
Yeah. Or was it? I was too young. Like, I was too young to watch it and get it. I probably watched it, but I didn't get it.
Let me check my shit.
Look at my shit first.
Let me see if you let me.
Did you respond back to that email that they sent? What did you say?
I said I should be available Wednesday.
I like that no one
I made an effort to call me back, so I called and left messages about it.
Yeah, but they also don't have to send it for you.
I gave them yours and they have Chris's number, and I told them they can reach me at both.
So lazy.
I'm like, yeah, I like
I
how
promise
it's
when I'm a
okay
huge star, I won't do crack.
I was like, yeah, I like how it's okay for you guys to point a finger at me, but you don't seem to be interested in...
Sounds like life in general, right? It's happening everywhere. Speaking of UCR, we need to call UCR, or TC.
No.
Because you shouldn't just sit and do nothing about what happened. The fact that they're not doing anything about it, so I can turn it off. That's not fair. Hi, PC. Whoa! Email. Hey, it's 4 a.m.
Is this even my
Sprinkle. Yes, it is. Sprinkle sent me an email. Something exciting.
What's that?
You got bit by something?
Obviously. And then I rubbed it raw. Oh, itched it raw.
My hair looks different. I've been sleeping on it. And they put nice, pretty product in it at the shoot. The filming. So it looks amazing. It looks like it's actually been done. Well, it's on the hair thing. Hey, I'm not done checking my shit.
I'm checking my shit. My shit's very important.
So is mine.
When's my laptop to back off? Oh. I don't know how I'm even awake.
We'll go back to bed.
I slept 7 hours in 3 days. What the fuck? Your mom's scary. Yeah.
Actually, it was something.
Right?
Oh my god, what a horribly scary picture of me. I look like some crazy.
Well, we need to schedule time to have a 4 p.m. sound.
For what?
I'll be there.
4 p.m. Today is already done.
Oh, 12.
What picture looks like blonde hair? And that one's all roots. No.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, that's nice. Look at that one.
That's like a